a great choice today with the 2020 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great, comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, CD player, security system, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.